Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to download and install the Google AI Studio app on your mobile phone step by step. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through downloading the official Google AI Studio app, installing it and getting started with its AI powered features. You will learn how to download and install the Google AI Studio on your phone, so make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take is to go over to your Play Store or your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Google Play Store, while if you're using an iPhone, go over to your App Store. So let me tap my Play Store since I'm using an Android device. You can see now my Play Store is opening up. If you're using an iPhone, just tap on your App Store to open it and follow the steps I'm going to be showing in this video. They are all the same thing. So now the next step you have to take now is to search for Google AI Studio, and you can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it quickly. Then what I have to do now is to tap on the search bar at the top. You can see where it is written search apps. So let me tap on it real quick. You can see it right there at the top. Then what I'm going to do now is to simply type in Google AI Studio. So let me go ahead now to type in Google AI Studio. Let me type it real quick. Google AI then Studio. You can see it right there. I've typed it. So let me tap on search down there. You can see search. You can see it's loading up. Right there is the Google AI Studio. You can see the logo. So let me tap on it so you can see it clearly. You can see it more clearly now. You can see the logo right there. You can see the name Google AI Studio. So what you have to do in order to install this is to tap on where you can see install. You can see the install button right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it real quick. Right here is the next step. It says you are pre-registered. Coming soon. Coming soon means the Google AI Studio is not yet available, but with what I've done now, I have pre-registered for the Google AI Studio. So once the Google AI Studio app is launched, it will be installed automatically into my phone. You can see what's written down there. It says you will be notified when this game is available and it will be automatically installed. Data charges may apply. So guys can see what is going to happen here is that once the app is launched, it's going to be automatically installed into my phone. So what I'm going to do now is to tap on got it. So let me tap on got it right away. Here's the next step. It says right here, be the first to play what's next. Get notification about recommended games and apps that are coming soon. So if you want notifications, just turn it on, but I don't want it, so let me tap on done. So guys can see it right there. It says pre-registered. You can see it right there marked good, and you can see down there it says automatically install over any network when available. So when the app is available, it's going to be installed automatically. Let me tap on it. You can see what it says there, auto install Google AI Studio, and you can see I selected over any network, so it can be selected using my data or when I'm connected to any Wi-Fi. So let me go ahead and tap on OK. And also guys, let me show you this in case you want to cancel your pre-registration. In case you don't want to get the app installed once it's available, you can tap on where you can see pre-registered. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Here's the next step. It says cancel pre-registration for Google AI Studio. If you cancel, you will lose eligibility for any special benefits offered for pre-registering. This game will also no longer be installed automatically when it's available. So guys can see if you want to cancel, you tap on cancel. If you don't want to, tap on no thanks. So guys, let me tap on no thanks. I want it to be installed automatically once it's available. So guys, I've been able now to show you how you can be able to download and install your Google AI Studio app on your mobile phone, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please do well to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you on our next upload. Bye bye, peace.